Okay, Lamai. Uh, we have discussed at the live class, until the point of units of the density. And you know about the SI units of the density and the grams per cubic centimeters, kilogram per cubic meters. All those things are discussed. So, what is the purpose of measuring the density? Right. The main purpose is can be explained like this. The density of various substances, especially in terms of liquids, are differ from each other. It it is so the density of the oil is differ from the density of the water. Density of the alcohol is differ from the density of the water. So we can separate these liquids based on the density values. It means it is a specific property of the respective substances. Substances can be identified by the value of their density. This is common for solids as well as for liquids. So when we are considering uh, solids and the liquids and also the gases, the density of the gases are also different, right? Some gases have are lesser have a less density than the air, right? Therefore the density is a vital physical quantity, that means a physical parameter for a substance. Then you have to face some calculations. Then I will give the calculations in a word document. You can find it in the description of the uh, video, right? Now we have to write write down the topic. No, write down the date first. Then, as the first point, as the first point, density is a specific property of the respective substances. Density is a specific property of the respective substances. Density of the various substances within brackets, solids, liquids, and gases, close the brackets. Density of the various substances within brackets, solids, comma, liquids, and gases. Differ from each other. Differ from each other. Next point. Therefore, substances can be identified by the value of their density. Therefore, substances can be identified by the value of their density. Right. Next point. In another words, the ratio of mass to its volume, in other words, ratio of mass to its volume is different from substance to substance, substance to substance. Though their volumes are equal, though their volumes are equal. Right. Hari Lamai. Let's move to the calculation part because these types of simple calculations, these are very simple calculations, uh, are, are necessary for the examination purposes. Are necessary for the examination purposes. Right. Write down the subtopic density calculations. Density calculations. Right. First, I will describe these two examples that are given, which are given in the textbook. Then we can move to the others. Right. Mass of 2 cubic meters of water is 200 kg. ළමයි අපි ගිය සතියේ අර දුන්න chart එක එහෙම fill කරන්න ඇතිනේ. sorry table එක එහෙම fill කරන්න ඇතිනේ. නේ? ඒක fill කරා නම් මේ දේවල් ටක් ගාලා ඔලුවට යනවා. right? Right. Mass of 2 cubic meters of water is 2000 kg. Calculate the density of water. Right? Density. Then mass එක 200 kg. Volume is 2 cubic meters. So the mass is divided by the volume. The answer is 2000 divided by the 2. Then the answer is 1000. 1000 kg per cubic meter. Right. It is very simple, but I will give the next level calculations for you for to practice. They are practice questions, and the answers are also given in the same sheet. Right. The next question is the mass of a solution which has the density of 800. The mass of the solution which has a density of 800 kg per square meter is 200. Now we have to search for the volume. Same equation, same simple equation, density equals mass, but mass divided by the volume. Then the volume, we get volume to this side, and density comes to the down. Right. Then the volume equals mass divided by the density. Then 200 is the mass here. 800 is the density. Then the answer is 0.25. Right. Likewise, you have to get the answer for the questions I have given in the word in the PDF, which you can find in the description section of description of the video. That means below the video. Then you have to do the calculations, and I have also given the answers there. First, be honest. Be honest. First, you have to try yourself to get the answers. Then you can watch you can see you can observe you can study the answers. Right? uh, I, I will say they are little bit difficult than this question, little bit, but you can solve, right? Hi. Then the hydrometers. This hydrometer uh, video I will do as the next one. Then we can finish this video now.